Welcome. My name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Ferros. On today's video, I'll be taking analysis that will cover from the 3rd of October to the 7th of October to look at what different asset class will look like. Where are they going this coming week? Are they going to go up or are they going to go down? So join me, sit comfortably with your popcorn and join me to look at what the market is going to be like this coming week. Remember, we have other services like cash flow strategy. We offer training. We offer account management. We have our robot and we have our signal providing group. We also have our training academy where you will learn how to become successful trader and become a good analyst. So join me. Let us go to our chart where we will be discussing and looking at what the market will look like. Okay, now we are in our first market analysis, which is this is the main asset. It's called them DSY. You see, many of you have understand what DSY is. I always talk about DSY in our market analysis. I explain about it. DSY is dollar instead. It is dollar index. It is used to measure the strength of US dollars against every other asset. If DSY is rising, it probably means that DSY dollars is gaining strength. Then if DXY is falling, it probably means dollar is weak against every other other asset. Anywhere dollar is base currency, dollars, if the DSY is rising, that base currency will be rising. That US dollar against that dollar currency will rise. Anywhere dollar is quote, if US dollar is rising, that's mean if US dollar is quote currency, if dollar is rising, US dollar will be dragging that currency down because dollar is rising. So in other asset class, then if dollar is falling, if DXY is falling, anywhere dollar is quote, dollar will be weak and that base currency will drag it up. The same thing base, the one that is quote will drag dollar down. That is the what we are talking about. If you look very well, as of this is weekly market overview. If you look very well, this is weekly market overview. In this weekly market overview, you will probably see that the last week was bearish. But if you notice very well, market went up before it was fiercely rejected. Okay. So now, if you look at the previous, we see that the 2 weeks ago, the market was bullish. You see, dollar was extremely strong and people were buying. People that knows that dollar is going to buy bought very well. And the last move went and was rejected and formed and closed in a bearish direction. Okay, it probably means that this coming week we should be expecting more sell. Okay, remember this place is weekly support level, so this market is probably going to sell and get to this weekly support level. It is weekly support level that the rejection of the sell will be confronted and the market will resume by upper week in a buy. But this coming week, we should be looking at what the market will be like. It's going to be a sell market. That means US dollar is going to be weak in any asset it is being paired. But remember, this coming week, by Monday or Tuesday, from Monday and Tuesday, market US dollar might be strong a little bit, but the market will keep going we go down for this coming week. So watch out for a sell movement this coming week. Okay, look out for a sell opportunity this week. Now that we have confirmed that US dollar is going to be weak, let us look at Euro GBP to know which one is going to be strong this coming week. If you last week, if you look vividly, the market went up very well and was fiercely rejected and closed in a bearish direction, which led to even the market closing. If you look at the momentum of the sellers, okay, so if you look very well, here is the main or the support level. Look at here. look at here, this particular place is where they suppose. So we are expecting this coming week, the market will make will still sell. That means British pounds will gain strength this week before by next week we will know what we want. By the end of this week we are entering, we will know whether the market will continue, because here is the support level, and here is the support level of the weekly support level. Okay, so this place is a weekly support level, so we should be expecting the market to be rejected, the sell to be rejected there in resumption of buy. Okay, but if you look very well, this week British pound will gain strength against Euro USD. That means Euro GBP will be in a strong sell. Okay, so let us watch out for a sell opportunity in this direction. Since Euro GBP is selling and US dollar is weak, that means let us look at Euro GBP, then GBP US dollar, okay, which is British pounds US dollar. If you look fiercely, you look at this market now. Okay, this market, if you look at it very well, it is still going to buy. That is why you see, so it's from next week we should be looking out for a sell. But this coming week, if you look very well, you see that I gave a sign here that this week Euro GBP USD is going to make a bullish direction. That means it's going to rise, okay, to make this weekly support level here. This place is going to rise. So it is when it, if you look very well, it was fiercely rejected here and closed. So that means this market might probably buy and get to this level, or might even buy and get to this place and then fiercely reject the market for next week's sell. Okay, so look at when you are buying, when you are looking at British pounds against US dollar, you should be looking out for a buy opportunity. So probably this coming week by Monday, the market might be in a little bit bearish direction. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you know why the market is actually going to be on a bearish direction, okay, and you will know where to enter and where not to enter. That's why it's necessary to be a student of CJ Forex to understand the direction of the market and what push that direction and where the market is heading. You know where to enter, where not to enter. That's why every intelligent and serious trader will want to become a student of CJ Forex. Our total student globally is 10,000 students, which total ones that have graduated and doing well is 9,400 students all over the world. These are adult people. Some of them own the academy, while some are still doing trading personally. They don't want to involve, they are not good at teaching, so they make their money slow and secretly. Okay, so you can also be part of the student. The courses are there, just go there, subscribe. The courses are open for you. The customer response is there. Any question you want, live conversation is there. So if you want to get interaction while you are, everything is there. The courses is well designed and a very easy course for even a market woman to understand. So let us go to, if that this week we are looking at GBP USD is going to be on a bullish direction. Then let us look at Euro GBP. This week, Euro GBP is going to be on a bullish direction also. This coming week, we should be looking at a bullish direction. Since US dollar is weak, then Euro USD, this is Euro USD, is going to make a bullish move and it's going to get to this resistant level, and then maybe if by the end of the week we have to know whether this resistant level is going to stop it. But if you look very well, this resistant level is going to reject it fiercely for next week sell. Okay, now let us look at crude. Since US dollar is weak, if you are a student of CJ Forex, you must have known what is called currency correlation. This is very necessary for you. You learn what will help you to make profit. So since US dollar is weak, what are you expecting this coming week? We should be looking out for a buy in the direction of what do they call it? A buy in the direction of crude. Okay, sorry, this is how it's supposed to be. Let us remove it. This is what we are looking at for this week. This week, crude will be making a bullish move. So this week, crude will be making a bullish move like this. It will make a bullish move from here. Okay, this is what I am saying. It will make a bullish move from this place, and it will touch this level, this place. This is the place it's going to. So this week, expect a bullish move. So it will get to this resistance level here. Okay, let me put a line here. So if you are looking for opportunity, you should be looking at opportunity for a buy in a crude direction that will make a way, then it will fiercely rejected within this place and then start selling. Okay, start selling. And when it's from next week, upper week, we are entering, but this coming week is a buy opportunity. So expect a buy in the crude direction. It might probably sell before it start buying. Okay, but it's going to buy this week. Let us look at US card. US card is, that means US dollar is weak, card will be selling. Okay, so look at this week. If you look very well, last week market was probably very strong if you look at it, but it was increasing, it reduced in momentum. If you look at this currency strength, you see that last week, last 3 weeks, if you look at very well, this market resumed, this one increased, and now it reduced. So that reduction in momentum. So we should be looking out for a sell, a very strong sell that will get to the weekly support level and then gather momentum to be able to start going up again. So this week you should be looking out for US card is a sell move, sell bias. Okay, then let us look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY, what is it going to do this coming week? We are expecting GBP JPY to be in a selling direction. Okay, but it will first of all make a bullish move before. Okay, so this week we should be expecting the market to be in a bearish direction. Okay, this coming week, GBP JPY is going to make a bearish move. Okay, a bearish move, a bearish move. Okay, look at it. GBP JPY is going to make a bearish move after a little bullish direction. Is going to make a bearish move. So you should be looking out for a bearish move. That's a sell opportunity. If you look at it, if you see very well, the market was fiercely rejected. It closed bullish. So this coming week, it will make a little bit move to hit here then before it will start selling. Okay, so just expect from Monday to Tuesday it might be bullish, but later it will end up becoming bearish. Okay, so let us look at gold, what gold is going to look like this coming week. Gold is going to be in a bullish move. Okay, bullish move. Gold is going to make a bullish move. Okay, okay, gold is making a bullish move. Don't expect a sell because US dollar is weak. Gold is going to be in a bullish move. So we should be looking out for a buy opportunity on gold. Okay, look for a buy. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you know probably when and how to buy. Okay, so that's why it's necessary for you to enroll to CJ Forex. If you are an Australian USD, Australia is going to be in a bullish move this week. Expect a buying direction in this coming week of Australian direction. So you should be looking for buy opportunity. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you should probably know where Australia entry point should be. Okay, you know the time frame that will fit you to become a weekly trader. Now let me go back to GBP JPY. GBP JPY, sorry, I made a mistake. GBP JPY is going to be in a bullish direction for this week. If you look at very well, the market went down, okay, and was rejected and closed bullish, okay. Now, this bullish is going to continue going up onto this level before it will sell. So we should be looking out for, you see this market will buy this week down to this place, okay. It will buy from here down to this way. This is a weekly time frame. Then it will be rejected within this level, this place. It is where it will be rejected to make a sell from next week. So that means this is what it will look like. This week is a buy, okay. Don't look for a sell opportunity. This week is a buy from here. Then by the time it must have rejected, and then it will now start selling, sell to this point from the upper week that we are entering. So let us look for opportunity on a V75. Let's look for opportunity on V75. What V75 is going to look like this coming week, we should be looking at V75. V75 is going to be on a V75 is going to be on a bearish direction, okay, bearish direction. But first of all, if you look very well, you see that last week it engulfed and it created a new candle. If you look at this, so this coming week it will first of all be on a bearish direction. Look very well, sorry. We are looking at markets. Look at one monthly time frame, okay. This last month was so weak, so let us look at what last month, where the monthly this thing is. Look at this monthly support level. So we are expecting this coming week of V75 to be on, let me look at the weekly time frame. Last week was this thing, so I'm expecting this week to be rejected, okay. This particular week it will go up. It will first of all go down and go up. So we are looking at a sell direction. The market is still going to sell this week, but look at what will happen. The market will first of all go up. Maybe from Monday, from today being Sunday, it will go up to this level like this. Just watch what will happen. It will go up to get to this point, okay. Let me say this week it will go up like this, and then it will later be rejected. This is what will happen. It will go up like this, just forming big bullish candle, and then later be rejected and come and get to this place, okay. So for this week, just be watching out from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, it will be all bullish, but at the end of the day it will end bearish. So look out for a buying opportunity. If you're a student, sorry, look out for a selling opportunity at the end within Thursday, Wednesday, maybe from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Look for opportunity to sell. So let's say this week is a selling market, but it will first of all make a bullish move before it will end up in a bearish direction. Just like last week, the same thing happened. It probably went up to this place. You see what happened? It fell from here. It started from here. It went up to this place and then end up closing bearish. So the same thing is probably going to happen here. My next to remain Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forest. My advice for you is to be part of our academy to help you navigate the market in your own favor. You can't keep jumping from one place to another. Enroll and become free man. get our robots and help yourself to earn while you are learning, or subscribe to be part of our account management where our managers will be managing your account. You can probably also get our indicators that will be giving you alert, which is called price entry and alert indicator. And you can as well get our cash flow strategy where you will be using it to trade for yourself and make money, or you subscribe to our VPS where you get 24 hours accurate signal. Thank you once again and have a nice day.